Alright, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'd just like to say a quick thank you to everyone who watched my first video. Just thank you for all the support. Special shout out to Larry and Sam, two of my favourite YouTubers. So it was really nice that you took the time to watch that. Today's pickup is a pair that I've got in the sale. It's a pair of Adidas, and I'll get them out of the box for you now. They are the Adidas NMD R2s. So this is the grey and black colourway, I believe. Yeah, grey and black colourway. I've got mine in a size 9 UK. It's a really good fit. Obviously, it's got the Boost midsole. I've had an NMD R1 before. I don't own it anymore, but I used to. And I think the R2 is more comfortable because obviously there's not that extra boost pod there, so you're standing on more of the boost pod? Yeah, boost pod. I'm standing on more of the boost rather than the pods, so it is very, very comfortable. It's got obviously the collar there, it's the prime knit one, so the comfort's really good. It's really stretchy, the prime knit. You'll see that when I get them on feet. You can just see, like, when you pick up your toes, it just pings back to shape, which is really good because it will keep the shape of the shoe. It's just got a normal black outsole. You've got the pull tab with obviously the branding, brown with the 3 stripes. Mine's mainly the French and German, and I've got a bit of the English on there because obviously they're all cut different. But apart from that, I think everyone's had an NMD nowadays. They're really comfy, just great, easy trainer to wear, or sneaker to wear all the time. Let me know what videos you'd like to see coming up, because I am going to carry on making them. I really enjoyed making the first one. I might make a sneaker collection, show you what I've currently got. It's not very big, but I can show you what I've currently got. I was thinking about doing what are my sneaker plans for 2018, like what ones I'm going to look to pick up. I'm really interested in the Dragon Ball Z collab with Adidas, and of course I'm going to be picking up more New Balance 574s because that's probably my favourite sneaker model. But yeah, apart from that, here's some on feet. So the outfit at the end there, that was just a casual look, you know, joggers and a jumper, can't go wrong. The black joggers with the white floral print are from Boohoo Man. This green jumper's just one from Top Man. Yeah, I'll leave links if I can find them to everything in the description. But again, massive thank you to everyone who watched my first video, everyone who's watching this video. Make sure you subscribe. I'm definitely going to make more videos. I'm really enjoying it, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, have a good day.